This is Javi from the Musotoku design team, and today he's going to show us how we made the ideal pedal. So, let's follow him. First we need to take a few things from the workshop, like some rubber, some of these cables, the whole box will be useful I think, some of these screws, one of these batteries,
A force sensor, you'll understand why later.
a few of these hard cases, this beautiful paint, and that's it. Oh no, wait! There is one more thing, maybe even the most important one.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen.
Awesome! Now let's start working. First of all, we need to get on the mood with our bakery. I think we should have some of art in our pedal. Sure. Now we have to code a lot for a long time. Javi is quite old school with coding and he loves the feeling of his typewriter. Yeah, we should have some of that in the pedal too. More of that mood, some soldering, even more trumpet, much more of that. So fresh, a cool wink and rocking for a while. And we got it. Good evening, folks. I'm pleased to introduce the prototype of the magnificent and unlimited Ideal Pedal. We applied in our Musotoku and just feel that amount of power, flat and comfortable, so different and outstanding. And God, just hear and feel this, please.
Maybe it's the power trying to come back on.